because we are editing videos, the laptop gets warm, and when it gets warm the fan starts to spin, and then it collects dust. So in Poundland we found a can of air. So I'll open the laptop, dust it off real good, and then close it back. First we remove all screws. There are 3 long ones and 7 short ones. Remember where the screws come from, so we can put them back. We use the air to dust off the fans. Make sure the fans won't turn, otherwise it could create voltage and we don't want that. If the air isn't enough, you could use a toothpick or something thin, remove the dust bunnies. If it's all clear, we put back the cover. On the bottom half, the cover clicks into the body. I first screw the screws a little bit, not too tight, just a little bit, and then a second round to tighten them up. And then we'll test if it works. That's now the second pizza, and it's really, it looks gorgeous.
Gorgeous pizza. No, really, but I think that first made the first pizza.
Oh yeah, we made the first
right
pizza.
away, because the recipe says, oh yeah, make the dough and then immediately make the pizza. This one laid a little longer, so I think it had some time to rise, and because of that there's more air in the dough.
That could be as well.
So maybe that helps as well, maybe the combination of the both.
No. Standing in the storm almost, but it's beautiful. The sea, white sand.
Yeah, it's great. We're here at Balnakeil Bay. Forgive me if I pronounce it wrong, but it's so nice again. And yeah, we're walking to Faraid Head. From there you're supposed to have an even better view. Yeah, and we hope that the sun lasts for a bit, because yeah, the weather here changes so quick. It's unbelievable. Yeah, even quicker than in the Netherlands, I think.
Here, these plants, the sand is pretty hard, and the wind moves the plant, and it scratches a circle around itself, around the plant. I've never seen something like that. It was a really beautiful view from up there, from the rocks. And now we are walking back on the white sand beach.
Yeah, really special. Not what you would expect from Scotland. Maybe if you know it, but I hadn't expected that.
Here are very many lugworms. It's unbelievable how many. And one was, I think, eating, because you saw the kind of a funnel into the sand, where the sand grains fell into. that's air, that's the sand from the side. They have a little, funnel type hole. Then it goes down. The lugworm lays inside the sand like that, and on the other side the sand comes out again, and all the organic stuff in the sand he's eaten, and the sand grains he gives back. There's a small little seal, about 60 centimeters long, 2.5 feet, something like that, and it's looking really weak. But there were other people and they just called an
wildlife ranger, someone,
and they said that size it's probably just fine, and it's just chilling out here, and if it's tomorrow still here they will come and help. We are right now at the Smoo Cave, and nearby there's a campsite, and we asked if we could fill some water. It wasn't possible, and what's the point of having a campsite if you give water to RVs who don't stay a night? And we could drive 100 miles further, maybe there's free water.
Just another lesson. Don't go to the campgrounds and ask for water, because there's no point to that. Yeah, we're gonna have a look at the cave now.
We're now at the entrance of the Smoo Cave, and it's pretty quiet. You only hear the small river or beak. One bird is screaming up there.
Singing.
Okay. There were people who built stone towers, little stone towers. A little bit too much all over the place. We're now inside the cave. It's pretty small, but that isn't a bad thing. It's beautiful. There's a waterfall from the top. There are falling water drops, and on the walls there's water flowing. It's from everywhere the water comes.
Yeah, so indeed it's worth a visit. And you can visit it for free. You can just come here and have a look. There is a boat tour that you can take if you want to go into the cave a little bit further. But yeah, that isn't today because it rained pretty heavily the last days, so then they didn't do it. But even without the tour, it's just a nice, very nice place to see.
that's a waking up. Everything in fog and a little bit of rain. But back there, there's a valley in the sun. Well, good morning.
Morning.
We are here at the parking at the
Clashnessie Bridge.
It's a stunning view, especially the way to coming here is really a beautiful view through the hills and mountains. The parking here at the bridge isn't that great. It's a parking. You have a good view, but a little bit up there.
Stop there if you're doing this route. Yeah, as you said, a half mile before the Clashnessie Bridge. It's
well north, half mile north.
It's a spectacular view. From up there, you're looking to the, I think, Valley of Ascent, with two really high mountains. Yesterday they disappeared half in the clouds, so that was, yeah, it was just spectacular. Spectacular. Yeah, and yeah, we stayed the night here. Now we enjoyed the sun for a bit because it came through, which doesn't happen that often here. And now we're off to the Clashnessie Falls. We're going to park there at the Clashnessie beach, and then we walk from there to the falls. Yeah, we're going to do that today.
Alright, we're parked here and there wasn't a space, so we parked here at the side of the road, and it's so uneven. It's crazy.